Hi everybody, this is Mama Bears, and we're staying at a hotel up by I-75 in Venice, Florida. I'm about 6-7 miles away from the Gulf Coast, and we are on the backside of the hurricane. So what you're witnessing is about 4 stories up in the air, and in the distance you should be able to see I-75. The EYEWALL has just started crossing, entering in, and that's more down around where Mama Bear lives. So anyway, everybody, please say a prayer for everybody that is in harm's way, for everybody that is affected, and please say an extra prayer for everybody that is here as first responders, all of our state guardsmen, national guardsmen, FEMA, everybody. This is Mama Bears, and I'll be talking to all of you later on. God bless.